they got the containers loaded on the train cars almost now 10:30 at night, and they are getting the trains, the engines, the power units ready for starting the run. This is a Salt Lake rail. If they are going east, the next stop, well, they are going towards Chicago. If they are going west, they are going towards Los Angeles, Oregon, and Washington. This is the end of the train, almost here, and the beginning of the where they maintain the power units. They fuel them, they check the whatever they check. I don't know how to do an inspection on a train, but you can see them now doing all the pre-trip inspection of the train. These signs, they put it on the rail just to alert the driver or the conductor or the engineer, the train engineer, that if he is doing something wrong or if the route is right or wrong. Here where the units are being maintained, you have 4 power units, or 5. Each unit is about 1,400 horsepower. 1,400. About 3 times as much power as the semi I am driving. Each one single unit has a fuel tank of 20,000 gallons. And here where they keep the cranes.